Hello, my crafty friends. It's Lori from Art Lab Designs. I wanted to share with you the cards that I made with the July 2020 Simon Says Stamp card kit. I made 10 cards in total, and some of them are really cool, and some of them are like, I don't know. This is one of the I don't know ones. The pattern paper that came with this kit included four of these large card fronts, and I cut them down a little bit so that they'd have a border of the card base. And they say special delivery with some flowers, and I just added some Tonic Studio jewel drops. Actually, I think these are crystal drops, but anyway. And in this case, I left the card blank. So that was pretty simple, pretty easy to do, as are the next three. If I can get the envelope away from it. So we've got this one, and I think this would be really cute for the birth of a baby, or I don't know, maybe even just a thinking of you card. Coming special delivery through snail mail. And I put this one on a light blue card base, which did not come with the kit, by the way. The kit came with white, pink, dark blue, and gray, if I'm not mistaken. And I don't think I used the gray at all. So here's the same or similar card, just in a different colorway. This is pink, of course. Same deal, nothing inside. And this one, again, same sort of setup, except it's bright yellow, really bright yellow. And I put it on a light yellow card base, and I used some Nuvo Jewel drops on that one. And then finally, in terms of blank A2 cards, I made this one, and I cut another similar piece of pattern paper. I cut out the little elements and just put them up on foam tape on this card front. And then I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Maybe you can. I used, oh shoot, what do you call it? Glossy accents, hello, on some of the elements like the pencil, the flower, the house, and the envelope that the two birds are carrying. So it's cute, but very simple, nothing inside. I will probably, when I put them in my Etsy shop, tell people that if they want them personalized inside, I will certainly add something like welcome baby or happy birthday or whatever they want. This one, I used the stamp set that came with the kit. The stamp set is pretty cool. Actually, let me show it to you because I have it right here next to me. And I'll try to keep the glare off of it. But let me get it on a white background so you could see it better. My messy, my messy table. So the theme is related to, what was this called? This is called Home Sweet Home. The whole kit was called Home Sweet Home. And it's got themes of welcome home and, missing you at home and things like that. Home is where the Wi-Fi automatically connects, which is my favorite sentiment on here. And then it's got this long strip of houses and trees and a water feature and all kinds of stuff. It's got a sun, a moon, some clouds, a little prop airplane with banners you can, stamp behind them, some little hearts, and this little paper airplane, which I thought was really cute. And you can see, welcome to the neighborhood, home sweet home, sweet dreams. I really like this stamp set. So I took that paper airplane and I embossed it with white embossing powder across the front of this card. And then I just glued on, and I used one of the banners. I'm going to connect it to the plane with some white gel pen, but I forgot to do that. That says sending hugs. And then I just attached some domed crystals and some stars. And then on the inside, I white embossed. It's just not the same without you here. Got to remember to do that white gel pen. Okay, and the kit also came with some envelopes, which I'm going to use all of them with the cards I made. It came with this silver metallic, a couple of ivory, almost white envelopes, and these are all the self-stick type. And it came with one navy, and 1 pink, and then 2 of the silver and 2 of the white or ivory envelopes. So because that strip of homes is so long, they recommended making some slimline cards. But of course, you could make, you could color the houses or whatever you're going to do with them and then cut them into smaller pieces and put them on an A2 card front. But I chose to make some slimline cards. And from what I read and hear on the craft channels on YouTube, slimline cards are like all the rage right now, but I don't think they ever went out of popularity. I've been making slim cards all along, so I don't know. But anyway, I stamped the whole row of houses with some alcohol marker friendly ink, and I think it was Simon Says Stamp Intense Black, if I'm not mistaken. I put a heart over this house here at the end, and I used some glitter pen over it, and then the little Wi-Fi radio waves. And I colored the whole thing with alcohol markers, which come from Tonic as well. And then on the inside it says, Love and Hugs Enclosed. And I've paired this with my own red envelope that I bought, I don't know, like 50 of them for not very much money on Amazon. And then this one, I stamped the whole row of houses again in alcohol-friendly ink and stamped a couple of the clouds, and I popped all of that up on some foam tape. But I only colored this house here at the end just to indicate that home is where the Wi-Fi automatically connects. So that's where the Wi-Fi is. And I put, it's just not the same without you here inside this one. And I paired this one with a red envelope too. And then I got a little creative with this one, and I think I saw, if I'm not mistaken, let me look at yeah, I got the idea for this one from the idea sheet that comes with the card kit, but I kind of made it my own. What I did was I stamped that house. I think that must be my favorite because I used it a lot. I stamped the house, and then I colored with colored pencil, and I made this kind of the daytime house, and then stamped Home Sweet Home. And then I colored in colored pencil and made this one the night version of that house. And then I used a Jelly Roll light blue gel pen and went around each of the circles to kind of make it look like it was stitched. And then on the inside, welcome to your new home. So obviously a welcoming card, maybe for somebody in your neighborhood or somebody you know who just bought a house, whatever. And then this one is sort of similar to the first one. I used alcohol markers to color this one, and I used that little prop plane with Sending Hugs, and I went over the prop plane with some sparkle pen as well. And on the inside, this one says, no matter how far apart, you're always in my heart. And I paired this one with a purple envelope just for the heck of it. Kind of picks up on that purple house there. So those are all of the cards I made with the July 2020 Simon Says Stamp card kit. And I hope that it provided you with some design inspiration and maybe color inspiration. I don't know. I did not buy the August 2020 card kit. It just didn't appeal to me. It's very cute, but I couldn't see myself using the stamp set more than once. And it was sort of picnic themed. It had some picnic type papers or summer type papers. And then it had different foods and ants and stuff like that you could stamp. So it was cute. It just wasn't something I thought I'd use again and again. So I didn't want to spend the money. So I might be back with the September inspiration for the Simon Says Stamps card kit. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to be notified of all of my upcoming uploads. Thanks so much. See you soon. Bye.